How to fix Telegram not sending code. If you're having trouble with Telegram not sending the verification code, you're not alone. This can be a frustrating issue, but don't worry. Today I'll show you some quick and easy fixes to solve it. The first thing you should check is your internet connection. If you have a weak or unstable connection, Telegram might not be able to send the code properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data or restart your router if you're on Wi-Fi. A stable internet connection is essential for receiving the code. Sometimes Telegram may be experiencing delays. If the code hasn't arrived within a minute or two, try waiting for a few minutes. Telegram servers could be experiencing a high volume of requests, causing a delay in sending the code. It's also worth checking if Telegram servers are down. Visit Telegram's official Twitter or their website. Here you can simply find whether the status of the Telegram, or you can also search for Telegram status. On down detector as well. Next, what you can also need to make sure is you've entered your phone number correctly, including the correct country code. If you're having trouble with the correct phone number, try using a different one to see if that resolves the issue. Now, another possible fix is clearing the app cache for the Telegram. Sometimes cache data can interfere with the app's functionality. If you have an Android device, you can simply clear cache. Simply tap on Settings and go to Device and Storage of Telegram. From here, simply tap on Storage Uses and simply choose Clear Cache. In some countries, Telegram is blocked or restricted, which can prevent you from receiving the verification code. If you suspect this is the case, try using a VPN to bypass the restriction and access Telegram from a different server. If none of the above steps work, you may need to simply uninstall the Telegram and reinstall it again. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix the issue when Telegram not sending code.